Welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be seeing what's in this box and getting it installed on this car, and we will be getting to it right here in a second.
Right, I know.
See what we got in here. Let's see, we got this one. Uh-oh, I thought they were supposed to be numbered. It may be the hands. You can put the trash in the trash. Alright. Yeah. I noticed on the website they're all kind of a bit different. With some of them are numbered, some of the kits weren't numbered. I think this is going to tell us about everything we need to know right here. Alright, got the hardware.
God, I found it.
Those should be the very ends. This table is a little bit dirty, ain't it?
It's a little dirty, but it's a lot better than working on that little table.
Yeah, alright, let's see. Some of them don't come marked with street arrow on them and stuff like that. Alright, you can throw the trash away. Well, I tell you what, leave the cardboard there, so you can leave that on it, yeah. So we'll keep that from getting all scratched up. We'll get the paper clip off. Does that look like it's in the viewfinder? My hands?
Yeah, bring it up. Let me see.
Bring my head like that?
No, your head needs to be way down.
Down like this?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what it was down. Alright, classic edition. This is the parts checks list. That's a return label. Man, this thing's got a complete build guide. Cool. Can't go wrong with that. Alright. I think all of these they're all exactly the same, right?
I think so. That's what I was just looking at right here. They all go on there the same way.
Yeah, so I feel like
same direction.
flip the main panel tab. Alright, so there you go, leave it just like that. Alright, so now all these jokers do, these two pieces.
Oh, they got to slide on.
These two pieces that are different go with these two over here. That's this side.
So all of these are the same, right?
Yeah. So these will. Wait a minute.
They got to slide.
I think they got to be to the inside.
So you got to go this way.
No, it says go from the curve.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm not sure. Oh, here we go. So this will go this way. They got it. These the pieces that stick out, they have to go in towards each other so you don't see them.
So like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then these two will go like this.
Okay.
I believe that's correct.
Yeah, this to be a treat.
Here,
Okay.
hold this for me. Hold that, we'll get rid of this. We're going. Alright. We'll come over here. Get all these laid out.
What you gonna need?
And get screws that are the same together. So we can come over here and grab the parts we need.
Those must be the ones that put
I
it
tell you,
together
glue
here.
in here, but
Oh, okay.
we may have to get another one. So we get your bolts lined out is the biggest thing, and the little tiny bolts in the bag, of course, those mount to the car. The little ones, they mount the winglets to the motherboard here. So you can hand me a screw and a bolt out of there. Bolts come up from the other side, and I'll shove them in. All right, we'll do one.
The washer.
So the thing for us to do is do it like this.
Your washer and the nut. The nuts go on top or underneath?
Oh, it's got a washer?
Yeah.
I think that washer goes.
Oh no, yeah, it does. No, I lied. It's nuts.
They're all both okay. They're just nuts.
I thought the nut was down on the
Nut.
bottom. No, that's not.
Are they supposed to fit through the hole?
Yeah, screw them up through the hole.
Super sure or not? Where's the little tool?
It's gonna look silly with that flushed in and then the nut sticking up on the front top.
You ain't gonna see it, I don't think. I don't think you will see it. But they do screw in, so they screw in and they get a nut. Give me another bolt. Let me get both of those in. Okay, so y'all see what we're doing here. We'll take each one of these. They go right with the holes. So far, this thing is easy peasy. We're gonna get that done and we'll be back. All right, here comes the big reveal. Go ahead, hit it down. So it's the next day. We finished the diffuser. We went on and installed it. Putting the diffuser on was a little bit tedious and boring, so we didn't go through all that. There's plenty of good install videos on YouTube on the diffuser if you want to see that. So we're gonna give you a shot of what it looks like. Here goes what the diffuser looks like when it's mounted. Man, the thing to mount. Looks pretty good. Camera makes it look like it's way crooked back there, so. Alright. Well. Alright, so that's the diffuser job. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, do whatever. And we'll see y'all next time.
Hey, what up, say? One time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. Yeah. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times